Okay. I've never seen that happen.
Well, we ain't never seen a farm boat either.
Snap the stainless bolt?
Yep.
Yeah.
Damn.
If it can be broke,
Farm truck can break it.
Welcome to the Farm Truck and Asian YouTube channel.
All right, here we are, Devon Boathouse, Oklahoma River. It's actually the North Canadian River.
Is it? They
But
renamed it, right?
Just this small section that runs through Oklahoma City. It turns into the Oklahoma River, and then it turns back into the North Canadian. These really cool drag boats over here, they call them a hydroplane, and they're like a sheet of plywood with a 50 horse motor. They're badass, I love them. And then there's a lot of jet ski guys here. We're wanting to try to do some motorsport stuff. One time there was drag boat racing down here, but for some reason they pulled the plug on it, and hopefully someday, if we come down here promoting, drag boat racing might come back.
It might. Yeah, I think it's going to take this kind of support. They kind of need to see that people want to see this in order for it to grab people's attention. Happy to be here. We're grateful they're giving it a shot. And at 5 o'clock, they're going to have you make a hit down this river.
Okay.
And I think that they're going to let the boats go rounds, and then you make a hit between the rounds.
Yeah. Are the Olympic rowers going to be out here today?
Not Olympic rowing team.
Okay.
You're going to be racing the Olympic rowing team.
He will
That's
be
what I heard.
racing the stunt diving dogs.
And what did you say earlier, Farm? That it was a year ago that we put this thing in the water for
That's
the first
right.
time?
Well, Irvin Capps, the guy that helped us build the boat, he reminded me that his friends that came out to Draper, it was their anniversary, right? And he was just talking to them, and he's like, hey, it's our anniversary again.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So this is the 1 year anniversary of getting the farm boat wet.
Okay.
Whenever we went to Lake Draper.
It feels way longer than that, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It feels way, way longer.
Also something we like to hear.
Yeah.
Mark Brown, Advancing Machine.
Roll that GoPro, Jeremy.
Yep.
Battery look. Cool. Awesome. All right. Hell yeah.
F&A.
Farmageddon, everyone.
Farmageddon.
You need to pull them back. It's too close to that front over there.
The steering's funny, and the shifter. Can you just look at the cables and stuff back there?
Turn right and left.
Yeah. You're not, okay, turn right there.
Turn right.
See what's happening.
I couldn't control it out there.
Water's so murky, I can't really tell what's going on.
Okay.
Run the generator up, or the place diverter up and down. Let me
Okay.
watch that.
That's working fine.
That seems to be working okay.
Okay, so that felt pretty stiff out there, and I wasn't able to. I could only get it to go to about there, and then it just kind of broke free right there. So.
I got something stuck. I don't know, might have picked up some debris. I don't know.
Okay.
The steering though, I don't know what's going on there.
Okay.
It's pretty darn tight.
Yeah, it's tight.
Jeremy says something's hitting back there. What'd you say, Jeremy?
As he moves the gray cable, it's moving that whole bracket, and it's hitting that other one.
Okay, we might have had something come loose here. We're just gonna have to look over the steering here when we get it out of there. I don't know.
So we need to get it on the trailer.
Yeah, get on the trailer.
We'll wrap it up, double check, make sure everything's all good. I'm going to just limp it over there.
Farm. Irvin found a problem here.
What is that?
That's our anchor bolt for the tiller arm.
Okay.
And I'm looking in there and I can't see. I need you to turn it right just a little ways.
Okay.
It looks like it's broke.
Okay. Also, I want to check up inside the impeller to make sure we didn't get crap up in there.
Okay. Yeah.
To the right.
That's good. That's good.
So what can you see from there, Irvin? Anything?
Okay. I've never seen that happen. Let's see. I just slipped down. Look in there.
Well, we ain't never seen a farm boat either.
That damn stainless bolt snapped off.
right off.
Snapped a stainless bolt?
Yep.
Damn.
If it can be broke.
Farm truck can break it. Where's that
do it.
sticker? Where's
I
that
did
sticker
that.
at?
Wait a second, you're not getting on that bandwagon, are you, Jeremy?
No, I'm not. It's all good. It's job security
That's
for me.
Ed's bandwagon.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Looks like the bolt broke off. So we got to take this out, right? We'll take this
Take
one
that out,
and
reach
then
in there,
reach in
get
there.
this out, get this pin out.
So we can slide this pin out and this whole piece will just come right off? Okay.
Okay. Irvin, jump in here with us. I broke it.
Oh, already?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah, the steering bolt broke. You know, when I was doing those circles out there, you know, it was a little bit like the Christmas parade.
Oh.
But then it was Christmas in July.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, I better bring this in and let the master look at it. We really couldn't tell down in the murky water what was wrong. So we pulled it out, and sure enough, we sheared a bolt.
I told the crowd you were drunk. Yeah, so I don't know what was wrong, but
Too many Mai Tais.
they think
Mai
that's
Tai.
why you had to pull in.
Yeah, probably.
So, woo! Yeah.
All right, man. But all in all, you know, I wanted to give a couple family members a ride. That didn't get to happen.
Okay.
But maybe next time.
Okay.
You know.
We're gonna have to have a stronger boat.
Oh, yeah.
What's the fastest you got it up to out there?
Well, with flags and a passenger, it was about 78.
Okay.
So you take them flags down, and I run it by myself.
Yeah.
I'm in that 6-inch chop you've been telling me about.
Yeah, 85 for sure.
Yeah. I'm hoping for
Yeah, we
90.
still got-
All right, you should go ask James Boggs about the turds that we found in the water.
You found turds that were human turds.
I saw an acorn and a little piece of foam.
Ooh, that might have been
Right?
me.
And I'm like, there's turds following you, James.
Oh.
He turned around and looked at that, and he's sliding on the moss on the ramp, trying to push the farm boat over. And he's like, do you really think that
that what he said? Well, he left, bro.
He said he's gonna go home and clean up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He says he's gonna take a shower and bleach himself.
I'm telling you, it wasn't. It was a little piece of that spray foam and an acorn, but it looked like turds were trailing it.
So anyways, earlier I was taking this river.
A what?
That's it.
Hey, Farm Truck and Asian here. Thank you for sticking around and watching our YouTube videos.
Since you're a viewer and hopefully a subscriber, drop by our website, okcfarmtruck.com, and use discount code FNAYouTube to get 10% off your next order.
It's our way of saying thank you.
¿Cómo está, mijo? Got you. Oh, look at this strongman competition.
You getting that real good B-roll?
Yeah, of that cinder block.